We all know glass is made from sand. But have we ever seen how glass is made from sand? In today's video I will tell you about the complete process of making glass from sand. So let's begin. What is glass? Glass is a non-crystalline transparent amorphous solid with many practical, technical and decorative applications. Glass is used in windows, tableware, optics, etc. Glass is usually made by rapid cooling from the molten state, however, volcanic glass is mainly made naturally. Raw material for glass production: sand, quartz, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, various pigments, etc. The process of making glass from sand? As mentioned earlier, glass can be of two types. One is plain glass. We usually use this type of work for household work. For example, teacup, window glass, glass bowl, etc. Another is glass used for special purposes. This glass is generally used in laboratory experiments or bulletproofing. But in 90% of cases we use normal work, so today we will tell about normal glass making process in this video. Sand is the main raw material for making glass. But it won't be as sandy. Glass is made from this sand, which contains at least 99% silicon. A mixture is first made to make glass. 75% sand, 15% soda ash and 10% lime are used in this mixture. Then this mixture is refined with the help of machine. Now some of the old nearby pieces are mixed with the mixture made for recycling. Also these broken glass pieces help to melt well with the prepared mixture. All these mixtures are then melted at 1400 degrees Celsius. At high temperature this mixture completely melts and turns into a liquid. This liquid is then poured into a tank. The molten glass from the tank is poured into various molds to give it the required shape. After shaping, the molten glass is held for a long time at the coldest temperature. Slow cooling produces clear, strong and balanced glassware. This method is called annealing. If a particular glass needs to be added, this is done during the process. E.g., metal oxides are used to make colored glass. Different colors require different metal oxides. And finally the glasses are well cleaned and polished and marketed. And thus the glass making process is complete. Thanks for watching my video for so long. If you like the video, like, comment, share and subscribe.